What is the bird dog exercise? The bird dog is a simple core exercise that improves stability, encourages a neutral spine, and relieves low back pain. This exercise pose uses the whole body to target and strengthen your core, hips, and back muscles. It also helps promote proper posture and increase range of motion. Bird Dog 1. Begin in an all-fours position. Lift your right leg and straighten it. Ideally, you'll lift it to hip height, but if you can't go that far, then stay in that position. Your body form is the most important. Slowly put down your arm to starting position. Do 4 repetitions. Repeat using with your left leg. Do 4 reps. Bird Dog 2. Begin in an all-fours position. Lift your right arms and straighten it, arm parallel to your spine. But if you can't go that far, then stay where you can lift your arm. Slowly put down your arm to starting position. Repeat using with your left arm. Do 4 reps. Bird Dog 3. Lift your arm and or leg together and straighten parallel to your spine. Slowly return to starting position. Do it slowly. Lift your L arm and L leg together and straighten parallel to your spine. Slowly return to starting position. Do it slowly. Repeat 4 times on each side. Bird Dog 4. Begin in an all-fours position. Lift your arm and L leg together and straighten parallel to your spine. Return to starting position. Do it slowly. Repeat using the L arm and or leg together. Repeat 4 times on each side. Bird Dog 5 with dumbbells. Begin in an all-fours position. Same movement of Bird Dog 2. Use dumbbell on both hands. Slowly put down your arm to starting position. Repeat 4 times on each side. Bird Dog 6 with fitness ball. Start with your belly on a stability ball or fitness ball with your legs straight and your hands and toes touching the floor. Reach your opposite arm and leg out until they are parallel to the floor. Same movement of Bird Dog 4. Below pictures are the sequence of Bird Dog 6.